guys, look at what I found. I found a cable-driven throttle body that came off of the mod motor we pulled out of the first Mustang video series we did, and I'm gonna turn it into an exhaust cutout for the Narcs cart. So I'm gonna get to work on it, and we're gonna make loud noises. So we're going to use the plasma cutter again. I drilled a little hole here so I can use it as a pilot hole to come around that. All right, we've got our Eastwood MiG 175 that we've used for a ton of our shop stuff. Well, it's not very pretty, but it's there. Like your love. Perfect, guys, here we go. So I took and have this piece of scrap rod here, drilled a hole in the so the factory throttle cable came into here and wrapped that way, right? So I'm going to drill a hole in there that's the size of this rod, clean this part out here a little bit, and we'll take and put the rod straight up like this in the car, and I'll pull it. So I wanted something that can open and close it. So we got a little rod here, got a little spot to hold it in, okay? See, I made one mistake there, but let's get it started. Now let's open it. Okay. This is gonna be so awesome. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I just want to say we are giving this car away. It is free to enter. Just subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram. You have to follow us on Instagram so I can get your handle, so I can put you in the drawing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Keep up with everything that's coming. I mean, we post almost every day on Instagram and Facebook, and a lot of times videos on TikTok. Thanks a bunch, guys. See you soon.